All right, so we're going to look at some challenge questions for the corn crop genetics. And the first challenge question is heterozygous purple by homozygous purple. Remember, heterozygous means difference, so there's one dominant and one recessive gene paired up here, or one capital letter and one lowercase letter. And then for homozygous purple, homozygous meaning same, so there's two capital letters here, which is just two dominant forms of the gene paired up. And we put one of the types of corn at the top and the other one down the side here. So we have the heterozygous purple here and homozygous purple here. It doesn't matter to me which one you would have done to fill out the Punnett squares. You could bring these ones across and then these down, or vice versa. Okay, so whenever you did that, it would end up looking like so. All right, notice I have different colors there, so you can see that I definitely have each of the ones in there. And basically, when you look at this completed Punnett square, if you in this scenario here, there is a 50% chance, or 2 out of 4 chance, that the type of corn produced would be two capital E's, which would be homozygous purple. Okay, and then there's also a 50% chance here that it would be heterozygous purple, capital E, lowercase e. All right. Whenever we go to challenge question 2, heterozygous purple, capital E, lowercase e, by homozygous yellow, two lowercase e's, I will bring the top one down first, so I'll fill this one out with you live. So I'm bringing down the capital E, I'm bringing down the lowercase e, okay? So I brought this down and this down. Now I'll bring the homozygous yellow across to complete the Punnett square. All right, so now that our Punnett square is complete, in this scenario here, there is a 50% chance that heterozygous purple corn would be produced, and there's also a 50% chance that homozygous yellow corn would be produced. And then for the third and final challenge question, we have heterozygous purple by heterozygous purple. So both of those would be one dominant and one recessive gene paired up, or one capital letter and one lowercase letter for both. All right, so we have the outside of the Punnett squares set up, and I'm just going to fill out the squares doing both. So I'm bringing this one down and this one across. For this one, I'm going to bring this one across and this one down. Okay, so if you've done enough Punnett squares and you're in the advanced level, you too could do that. Just remember, anytime there's a capital and a lowercase letter, the capital letter should go first. So this Punnett square is a little different. So there's a 1 in 4 chance that homozygous purple, so there's two dominant ones there, two capital letters. There's a 1 in 4 chance homozygous purple would be produced. Then you'll see here there's 2 out of 4, or a 50% chance, that heterozygous purple corn would be produced. And then right here there's a 1 in 4, or a 25% chance, that homozygous yellow corn would be produced here. Okay, and that's the only way yellow corn can be produced, is if you have two recessive traits or two lowercase letter e's, because purple is dominant over yellow.